Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Discord account on mobile. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Discord. Click on that, click on Discord and you need to download this application. Once you done that, you simply need to open and click on register. Once you click on that, you have two options. You have the option to use your phone number. You simply need to select your country code, add phone number, click on next and complete the step. The second method is email. So you need to add your email and go on to the next page and complete the process of account creation. So you need to add your email. So I'm going to add my email, click on next, add your display name. So I'm going to add my display name, click on next. This is your username. So you need to create your password here, click on next. Once you click on next, your account will be created. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.